Hello friends, welcome to Swad Desi. Festival season is around the corner and you wish to make something special, then your search ends here. Let's make melt in mouth chorafalli. Without wasting much of our time, let's start the recipe. First of all, let's boil 1 cup of water and then add in half teaspoon of papad khar. Mix it well and let it cool down for a while. While the water is getting cooled down, let's prepare for the dough. For the dough, we need 200 grams of besan, 100 grams of urad flour, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Let's sieve the besan and the urad flour, mix it well, and then add asafoetida, salt, baking soda, and oil. Then add lukewarm water of papad khar to make a semi-soft dough. Make sure to add little water at a time so that we don't incorporate more water than what we need to make a semi-soft dough. Friends, dough will be sticky at the beginning, but don't worry, it will come together as we keep kneading the dough. You can use little oil to prevent your hands from sticking to the dough. As the dough comes together, divide it into small portions and keep stretching and kneading the dough. You can see the technique of stretching the dough on the screen. You will feel the stretchiness of the dough once you will finish kneading the dough, and it will be lighter in color too. So here you can see the difference between both the dough. Once all the dough is kneaded, we make small balls out of it. It depends on your desire how big or small chorafalli you wish to make. We have made all the balls from the dough. Put a little oil on them and cover them so that they don't dry out. Now take one ball out of them and start rolling it as thin as possible. You can use a dry flour if you wish to. You can see it on the screen how thinly we have rolled out the chorafalli. There are two ways to make chorafalli. One, you can make a puri and then give small cuts using a knife inside the puri. Or second, you can cut the chorafalli in stripes. Once all the chorafallis are rolled out, it's time to fry them. Once the oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium-low and start frying them. Friends, the chorafallis are thin, so they will fry faster. Once you see light golden color on the edges of chorafalli, immediately remove them from the oil. And that's how you fry all the chorafallis. Let's make masala to sprinkle on chorafalli. In that you put black salt, paprika, salt, red chili powder and roasted cumin seed powder. Mix them well. So friends, we have given you all the tips and tricks to make melt in mouth perfect chorafalli recipe. Now do try this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below that how did you find our today's recipe. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and keep us in your prayers. And please do subscribe to our channel.